Very good evening, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. So, as usual, I will show you the performance of our MST iCore 2.0. It is a price action based tool. So, as I have told in most of my video, we are not supposed to use the word indicator because all the indicators are lagging indicator. Okay, whenever there is a buy trend, it will show you buy. If suddenly market reverses, then suddenly it will say sell trend. Suppose say this candle has the second candle has closed above the first candle close value. Then the indicator will say it is a buy trend. Suddenly, when the market is reversing like this, then it will start saying sell trend from here. So it will say buy trend here, and immediately when it is reversing this cutoff line, it will say sell trend. If we see the market, once it is over, then you will see, okay, very good signal we have got. If you follow this indicator, we'll get very good profit. But it is not so in real. So that those indicators are called as lagging indicator. But what about our indicator? So though I'm not using the word, it is not an appropriate word for my tool. So my product is a tool. It is not an indicator. It is a price action based tool. That too advanced price action system. So that is what I can say. It is a trading system. Okay, keep in mind it is a tool based on the price action system. Okay, now coming back to our performance of today, that is 14th March 2022. You may ask why you are not releasing video every day. Every day we don't find to release the video. So whenever we find the time, then we will be releasing the video. And apart from that, since we are posting the same content every day, people may get bored because every day we are not introducing new indicator. We are following the same tool or indicator, whichever name you give, for the past 7 to 8 years. Okay, so that is why we are giving the same content. If we see any of our video, the content will be the same. The date and the candlestick will be the different. The price will be the different, but the content will be the same. Before I continue, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel named MSC School of Trading. Also, please subscribe to our Telegram channel, which is available for free use. Okay. Now, when you log in using your username and password to the tradingview.com, then the screen will be appearing like this. So now go to your watch list. Whichever script you want to trade, select that script. Then click on to this icon. See more on advanced chart, or come back to here. Here you can see one arrow button. You can click on to that button also. So now click on to this advanced chart. Once you are clicking onto this advanced chart, then the candlestick patterns will be appearing. So whichever candlestick you want, that you can add. Heikenhashi, normal candle, whichever you want, you can add. So our candle by default we are trading in candlestick pattern only. Now come to this indicator setting. This is the indicator. Come here and go to favorite. So in the favorite, our indicator is already added. Our indicator is already added. Now come here. So what and all we have in our indicator? Many things we have in many of the video we have explained. So just I will refresh them. Starting by time frame. So by default it should be D, then tiny SL and tiny targets. So here is the important thing what you have to note it down. See, though we have given tiny SL and tiny small by default, it is not compulsory for everyone for all the script to use the same tiny SL and tiny target in all of the day. It is not possible because based on the script volatility, you have to keep the stop loss. Nowadays crude oil is having very good, no, very high volatility. Nickel is having very high volatility. If you are keeping this tiny SL and tiny target, easily our SL will be hitting. So that is why what you have to do, at least you have to keep small SL and small target. Clear? Now I am resetting to the reset button. Nifty and Bank Nifty are the other NSE market. So which time frame we have to follow? We have to follow 360. So where is the 360? I show you now. Okay. Now where is the time frame? Come to indicator settings. You can keep in 1 minute time frame or 5 minutes or 3 minutes or 15 minutes, whichever you want, you can keep it. But why I'm keeping 1 minute time frame? So that I can see what has happened in the market. If I keep 15 minutes, there may be a chances that in the same candle target has been hit, SL also has been hit. So to avoid that confusion, so I'm keeping in 1 minute time frame. So since we are trading in NSE, what you have to do, go here and select the time frame as 360 degree. Okay, so now you see what happened in the morning. So morning market has opened here. We know the strategy. If market is coming to first here, we will be selling. If it is coming here first, we will be buying. If buy activated, there is no sell. If sell activated, there is no buy until the SL hit. Only if SL hit, then we will be going for the reverse trade. Otherwise, we don't have to go for the reverse trade. Per day, only one trade. This is the basic rules for everyone. So if you ask me, sir, I'm ready to take more risk, then it is your wish. You can take n number of time, but the level will not change. The entry point will not change. The stop loss will not change. It will be the same for the lifetime. For entire day, you can use it. Okay. Now come, what happened? Exactly, buy got activated in the morning. Exactly, buy got activated in the morning. Now you may ask you one question, sir, this is the spot chart. Okay, now how can it select the option strike price for this buy entry? So you have many option. First option, whatever is the price is showing here. Okay, it is showing 16,605. So what you have to do in the morning when the market has opened, you must be ready with the 4 strike price. One is 16,600 call option. So this will say ATM. You can buy this. Otherwise, you can buy the out of the money. So add some 300 points out of the money or 200 points out of the money or 100 points out of the money. It is your wish. So you can select 16,700 call option also. So this is little for OTM. So this also you can buy. This is for the buyer. Then what about the seller? So sellers, what they can do, same strike price they can sell 16,600 put option they can sell. Otherwise little 100 points away, so they can sell 16,500 put option they can sell. Otherwise they can sell 16,700 put option also, because the volatility will be very high, the movement will be very high. So similarly here, the third option will be the in the money. So 16,500 call option also they can buy. So these many options you are having. These many options you are having. So whichever you want, you select according to your capability. According to your capability, you can select. Okay, if you are trading in the option. If you are trading the features, whatever is the price, that price you can keep it as such. Suppose if you are feeling that market is not coming down after this entry and it is missing for 3 to 10 points, then maximum 300 rupees you can take extra risk. What is meant by this? Suppose say market is the entry price is 16,605. Market has come only 16,610. So 5 points it is missing. So in such cases, what you have to do? 5 into 50 rupees. I'm talking about Nifty. So it is 250 rupees. So this 250 rupees extra risk is you can take, which means what? At 16,610 when it is touched, the next candle, whatever is the low, that you can go for the buy entry. So this difference amount 250 rupees you can keep in the target as extra points. Suppose say the target is 75 points. You have taken extra 5 points risk. So now your target will be 80 points. Okay. So this way you have to trade. So what about the next one? How about the stop loss? So the stop loss will be when the market has breached this level, and when is breached this level, you have to exit at the current market price. Then you have to reverse your position. Then what about the target? Target, you have to keep revising your stop loss. So today is a very wonderful day. We have got very good profit. So either you can keep revising your stop loss, or when it is coming to first target, you can exit at the current market price. Or you can approximately you can put some value also, some price also, because we cannot calculate the option premium based on the spot value. So that is why how many points it will move, we don't know. So if you are taking ATM, there is a different range. If you are using OTM, the movement will be very low, and ITM, the movement will be somewhat equivalent to the spot value. So this you have to understand as a basic thing. Now coming back to our indicator settings. Now what happened in the morning? So exactly market has come down, buy activated. Once buy activated, what you have to do? Go to indicator settings, enable first buy targets, first buy SL, and remove all other things. So here instead of selecting first buy SL, you can select the second sell also. Why I am telling this second sell also? Because we don't know the market how it will behave. Okay, suddenly instead of giving the target, it might reverse against our tool prediction. Suppose a market has touched here, our target is not reached, but entry only we have got. Immediately it came down. Then it will go for sure to the second sell entry target. So now suppose we have taken one lot here. So here we have to take two lot, and both the lots we have to book here. Why two lot? One lot is for recovering the loss and one lot is for booking the profit. But fortunately, today and most of the day, we will be getting the target accurately. Okay. So now buy only got activated. Now we have to enable the first buy targets and first buy SL. So now one thing you can note it down. See here, the second sell entry and first buy SL both are same. First buy SL and second sell entry both are same. So if you understand this concept, then you don't have to add this first buy SL. Otherwise you can add. It is up to you. So immediately our target hit. So now once the first buy target is achieved, first target is achieved. If you are a small trader, your trading is over for the day. You should not go for the more trade. Close the trade and do some other work if you are having. Okay. Don't do more trade. So that is what I can say. So earn some amount, keep earning some amount every day, and it will give you some very good returns. The second option, no sir, market is giving very good trend. Why should I miss it? Then what you can do? Earlier it was the stop loss was here. Now once the first target is achieved, remove your stop loss to cost to cost. Move your stop loss to cost to cost. When the second target is achieved, move your stop loss to first target. See here, first target is not again touched. Our stop loss is safe. When the third target is achieved, move your stop loss to second target. Again see here, after third target, it is not coming back to our second target. Again our stop loss is safe. See the movement. Once again it has come down, it has taken the support and it has shooted up. So how many points we have got the profit yesterday? Exact low we have got and exact high also we have got. So from high to low, we can make a point. So how many points you have got? 16,606 to 16,887. So which means what? How many points? I will take the help from the calculator. 16,887 16,887 minus 16,606. So we have got 281 points profit in a single trade. Again, if you ask me, sir, is it possible to book 281 points? It is impossible. But what you can do, you can keep trailing your stop loss. So the maximum profit you get, the maximum points you can book. So if you take an 281 points, which is equivalent to 50 points, 50 rupees per lot. So 14,050 rupees you will get. So today one of our customer had taken 5 lot. So 5 means, so into 5. So 70,000 rupees 250. 70,250 rupees profit in Nifty alone. In Nifty alone. Okay. So this is how you have to trade. So he has taken 5 lot. That's why I have calculated for the 5 lot. For an example, today also we had posted the screenshot in the group. So hope there is no doubt. If you have any doubts, please ask us. See, you all please go through the content, whatever you have given. For crude oil, for time being, you can keep small targets because of the volatility. Okay. And please read the disclaimer, whatever you have given in the indicator. Any doubts, you can ask us anytime on this number through WhatsApp. Okay. And this is the trend zone. So this also you can use. What is trend zone? Whenever the market is above this trend line, you have to be in the buy trend. Whenever the candles are below this 3 line, you should be in a sell trend, sell side. So this can be used in 1 minute time frame. This can be used in 15 minutes time frame. This can be used in the higher time frame also. So where we got the entry? So here we have got the entry. Here we have got the entry. Here we got the buy entry. See the fall. It is falling, 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 falling. We have got the very nice profit. If you are working for a positional trader, then you can use this formula. This is the trend zone to identify the trend. So hope it is clear. Any doubts, please ask us. I don't want to show you the performance in every script. It will take more time. So if you want me to show in crude oil, that also I can show you immediately in 2 to 3 minutes. I will show you. So see here. First buy activated here. Okay. First buy activated, all the targets hit. Again cell activated, this is the second cell, see all the targets hit. Again once again cell activated, all the targets achieved. See how many times you have got the opportunity. How many times we have got the opportunity that you have to see yourself. See cell activated here in a positional trend zone at 9184, 9000, around 9200. From 9200 to what is the low made today? The low mid is 7642. Around 2000 points you have got profit. 1800 plus points you have got the profit. So this is how you have to trade. Okay. For any doubts, please ask us. Our team is ready to help you 24/7. If you are interested, then you can subscribe to our lifetime free indicator at minimal cost. Thank you all for watching our video. If you have any doubts for all your frequently asked question, we have released the video. Please go back to our YouTube channel and search for the video and watch it and clarify your doubts yourself. Only if you are not able to understand, then call us. But before watching us, before messaging us, please watch the video many times so that you will understand in the easiest way. So that really the trading is made very simple. Okay. Whenever it is coming to buy side, you go for the buy entry. Whenever it is going to sell trade, go for the sell entry. See this. In addition to this buy and sell, you can use this as the best support and resistance. Best support and resistance. If you know the price action, that you can apply. Thank you all. Bye bye. All the best. Wish you all a happy, profitable day ahead. Good evening, traders. Once again, I forgot to show you the Bank Nifty also, because we have been trading in Bank Nifty, crude oil, and sometime in the Nifty. So I will show you the Bank Nifty also, what you have to do. You can select anything. You can select Bank Nifty futures or spot. So I will show you in spot, since I have shown Nifty spot also. So reset settings. So now this is the default settings. Since we are trading NSE, go here and keep in 360 degree. So now we all know, if market is coming down first, we'll be buying. If it is going up first, we'll be selling. So now only sell only got activated. So now what you have to do? So go here and enable first sell. First sell SL. Then second buy SL. Clear? So now see what happened. So I will zoom and show you so that you will understand better. Sell activated here, immediately target hit. How many minutes? So at 11:29 sell activated, at 11:36 target hit. Hardly some 7 minutes. Once again activated, once again almost came down to target but not hit. So after that, if you have taken multi lots, your revised stop loss will be cost to cost. First lot will be booking at the first target. Remaining targets only will be keeping for the stop loss cost to cost. The second time what happened? Second buy activated. Second buy activated and target hit. So if you are a small trader, you can exit at the first target. Otherwise, you can keep revising the stop loss. So then it went again. It came down to our entry point. See the low. The low is 35,136. So once again buy activated. First target hit, second target hit, third target hit. Again you see it went up to monthly sell zone. So from there it has reversed. From there it has reversed. Then it has again taken the upside. So this is how we have to trade. So if you are a small trader, just book at the first target and exit. If you want to trade again and again, that also we have the option. It is up to you. Okay. So hope Nifty, Bank Nifty, crude oil, all the targets have been achieved both the side. Thank you all for watching our video. If you're not subscribed to YouTube channel, please subscribe. Please share to all your trading friends so that everyone will have a systematic trading system. They will not lose in the market. They will get some gain from the market. Bye bye. All the best.